Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the team where collaboration lives. Choose private, public, or org-wide depending on who needs access. This determines visibility and control. Add at least one owner and populate members now so permissions propagate. Once done, enforce a naming convention and short description to help people find the team and reduce duplicates. Make sure to assign channels for major topics. This organizes conversations and files from the start and explains why structure reduces noise later. Next, add channels that map to projects, departments, or workflows. Use standard channels for open collaboration and private channels when confidentiality is required. This controls who sees conversations and files. Add tabs for files, Planner, OneNote, or key apps so people land where they need to work. Once channels exist, set moderation and posting permissions, configure at mentions and notifications, and pin high-value channels to keep teams focused. This execution organizes information flow and saves. To finish, enforce permissions, retention, and moderation so the team scales. Make owners responsible for channel lifecycle. Archive obsolete channels, merge duplicates, and tidy tabs. This preserves searchability and reduces clutter. Once live, monitor usage via analytics and adjust policies as needed. If something goes wrong, first verify membership and channel visibility, then check sync and app permissions. Finally, use the team's admin center logs to diagnose replication or policy issues. This troubleshooting order resolves most problems swiftly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.